What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor, and today's video is another level, guys. Like, I have seriously hacked the money making scheme. I have found the easiest way to make money online anywhere in the world. There are many YouTube videos out there that don't actually give you what you need. Instead, they refer you to some site that claims to be an influencer site that claims to pay you up to $500 per survey or per referrals or anything like that. But today I'm gonna show you guys a method in which has been used by millions of people and is paying them well. So there is this new platform that came out. It's called workhard.com. It is www.workhard.com. Now, what this platform pays you to do is to work hard. It's to work hard. So let me not waste your time. This video is not all about teaching you how to make money or stuff like that, but I just put it that way so I drive new viewers and new people to come and watch it. The main reason for this video is that I see many people are crazy for money. Like, people will do anything for money. Money makes the world go round. I get that. But, like, seriously, the only way to get real money, good money in life is to work hard. Don't let anyone fool you that they will tell you you gotta go to this site, register, add your email address, and then you start making money off the spot. Like, it doesn't work. I've tried many of it. Like, you're looking at a guy who tried a ton of influencer sites and nothing came out from them. Like, the easiest way, the only way to make money is to work hard. Let me tell you, in the money-making world, there is nothing as easy. Ask the people that are rich and famous. There is nothing as easy. Despite the fact they say they do what they love and they enjoy it, but it's not easy. It's not that easy. You gotta work hard. Don't let anyone fool you. Be smart. You're smarter than that. The only way to make money in this life is to work hard, or else you get nothing. I've seen one video on YouTube which said make money while you sleep. Seriously, it can't be done, or else you have built a steady income, like a passive income, like you created a YouTube channel and your YouTube channel is blowing up, but you can't all of a sudden start making money while you sleep. Like, seriously, it's not that easy. If it's that easy, many people would have been billionaires. I mean, some videos will tell you they're gonna refer you to some site and you just immediately sign up, get a $5 bonus, and then you start making. You can't. Like, seriously, it's not done that way. It can't be done. So the easiest way and the only way to make money is to work hard. It's to be hard working. Like, you gotta bust your butt. You gotta do everything you can just to earn a living and make something out of your life. You can't just make money out of the blue. In the world of making money, just say it with me, in the world of making money, there is no such thing as easy. There is no easy way out. You gotta work. It's your duty. Work hard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know most people will be very disappointed about this video, but I just want to make it to, even if it's just one person, I could be able to enlighten and teach. It's enough, because I mean, nowadays people are so crazy for money that they're gonna do anything, and the worst thing is that they don't want to work hard. They just want to get money and start eating and start living good lives. Like, seriously, you gotta build it. You gotta start from somewhere. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. I'll see you in my next video. It's bye for now. So drive a lot of attention. And a lot of viewers, but it's not really